In our last video, we achieved an average score of 3.438, which is good, but there's a problem. MIT's bot seems to be widely accepted to be the best in the world, and they get an average score of 3.421. We're actually not too far away from this, so with a few tweaks and changes we can probably get there. First thing I did was go with a probability approach in terms of which branches we decide to go down and which branches we decide to prune. This technically turns every single guess into a gamble, but it wins more than it loses and it brings the average down, so as much as I hate it, it's got to stay. The next thing I wanted to look at was heuristics, because not enough good words were making it into the shortlist and we had to expand the pruning range way beyond the level that could be computed. Our new heuristic is entropy, which is basically how evenly split the remaining answers are. I then had the bot log how far down a shortlist it had to go at each depth level to find the best word. If the numbers looked too close to where I set the limit, then I simply increased the limit just to be safe. But before we give it a proper run, I thought we might as well keep the limits nice and tight just so it runs quickly and keeps salad as the first word and see if we've actually improved anything. These results are good. There's slightly less guesses being achieved in 2 and there's now a couple being achieved in 6. This is due to the gambling nature of going for averages, but we've got a world record, so we'll take it. With all of the excitement over, I wanted to make a little script that would interact with the bot and actually help us with our real Wordle attempts. The way this works is quite simple. It will generate the first guess, the user then enters the feedback, it will then figure out what the remaining words are and generate another guess and keep going until you win the game. It's a very straightforward script. Actually, most of the time was spent on writing the instructions and validating user inputs to make sure that they were entering correct feedback. So let's start with the word task. And now we enter the feedback 02002. It needs to have a little think about that one, so we'll just give it a moment and it will hit us with another guess in a second. Okay, so we need to enter the word gulch apparently. And the feedback from that is 00100. And it's immediately come back with the word fable, which happens to be the correct answer.